Hi there. Can you hear me okay? I can't see me very well. There we go. Hang on. No. Okay, how's the video? Can you hear me okay? Anyway, I'm out here at the beach, at a smaller beach in Rhode Island. It snowed again. And just came out here to show you the view. It hasn't been shoveled or anything. It was kind of a journey to get out here this way. I was knee deep in snow. But I made it. So I figured I'd scope it since I'm here. Yep. Knee deep in snow. So how's everyone doing? Feel free to ask me anything. Just scoping from the beach in Rhode Island on the East Coast, USA. I hope you can hear me okay. How's the video, everyone? Feel free to say hi. How's the video? Is the connection okay? So this is a smaller beach than I usually go to. It's, as you can tell, it's kind of slushy and not melted. So, but it is pretty. It's still very cold here. It's about 36 degrees, I think, today. So it's about maybe 4 or 5 degrees above freezing temperature, but it's warmer than it has been. It's been below freezing for the past week. It's pretty nuts, huh? We had a snowstorm last week, and it wiped out the power of a lot of people around the East Coast. From New York to Boston and Connecticut and Maine and all of that. Right now I'm in Rhode Island. I'm at the beach, at a smaller beach. There's a lot of snow on the ground here on the beach. It hasn't been shoveled or melted or anything. It's barely above freezing at this point. I hope everyone can hear me okay. Let me know if you can't. There's the sun. It's a sunny day today. That's why I thought I'd come out here and scope this. Because tomorrow is going to be cloudy and the view isn't going to be as nice. So feel free to say hi and follow me. I scope from the beaches here in Rhode Island a few times a week, and I like to share the view with you. Ask me anything, whatever. If you have any questions, ask me, tweet me, or whatever. So I'm here on the East Coast on Rhode Island on the beach. Pretty cold. It's barely above freezing here, and but it's pretty. It's a pretty view. The ocean's pretty much just slush here right now. You got snow here. I had to walk here, knee deep in snow to get to this place. It hasn't melted or anything. It's just wow, I got chunks of snow here. Where sand and water used to be, chunks of snow. So anyway, If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Feel free to say hi. And share this if you like what you see. And you think others may like what they see too. It's like 36 degrees here right now, Fahrenheit. So it's like 4 to 5 degrees above freezing barely. I think it's supposed to get warmer by 10 degrees tomorrow, but it's also supposed to be cloudy tomorrow. So, I thought it'd be, better to have it be sunny while I scope this. And I'll do other things tomorrow. Get some other things done. So feel free to say hi. Let me know how the video and audio is. Can everyone hear me? Tap hearts if you like what you see. Feel free to follow and share. I'm just walking along the seashore here. Well, it's not really a seashore, I suppose. It's not the sea, it's the ocean, but just walking along the shore here, showing you the effects of the snowstorm on the beach. It's just a smaller beach than the one I usually scope from. How's everyone doing today? Let me know where you're from and how the weather is where you are. Feel free to say hi and ask me anything you like. Try to answer the best I can. I think my footprint is the only footprint out here. I don't think anybody else has been out here. It's a pretty nice view, huh? So let me know if you like what you see. Feel free to say hi. Let me know where you're from. Feel free to ask me anything you'd like to know. For those of you just joining, I'm in Rhode Island, about an hour from Boston, Massachusetts, on the East Coast, USA. I'm at a smaller beach here, and there's actually a lighthouse out there, I think. Hang on, let me try to get a better view. Yeah, there's a lighthouse right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me see if I can point it out. Oops, here we go. The lighthouse. Oops. It's hard to get it just right. Anyway, Rhode Island's actually known for their lighthouses. So, we have quite a few of them out here. There's a lighthouse in the distance. This is a snow-covered beach on the East Coast, USA, America, in Rhode Island. About an hour south of Boston, Massachusetts. And Boston got hit with snow pretty hard, harder than we did. A lot more of them got their power knocked out. And they had some flooding too on the coastline. It's pretty bad. Oh yeah, in California there's well, this isn't good news. It's not a very cheerful topic here, but in California, if you watch the news, I think there are like 13 or 12 or 13 killed in the mudslide caused by rain in Los Angeles. Wow, it's because of all the charred, dirt and so forth from the wildfires there, and when it rained, it just yeah, it became a mudslide, and a lot of people had to evacuate, and I think 12 or 13 people died so far. It's pretty. Anyway, that's not very cheerful. Sorry, but just thinking of all the, nature and all the weather and all that. But yeah, there was a snowstorm here last week. It was a pretty major one. And this is East Coast USA, Rhode Island, about an hour south of Boston. We had some accidents, of course, and traffic and all that. People on the road, but nothing too major, nothing too bad from what I can tell. So this is a smaller beach than the one I usually scope from. I think the one I usually scope from is actually not this much covered in snow. I was out there a couple of days ago, and I wasn't knee-deep in snow. I was knee-deep in snow coming out here. I had to walk through that area here to get here. It was like, there was no shoveling, there was no prints, there was no plowing, no anything. It was just snow. And, I'm a pretty short person. So, being knee-deep in snow isn't that difficult for me anyway. But I would say it was like a foot and a half, I guess, of snow. Yep. Pretty nice view, though, huh? It's pretty. It is pretty. I'm gonna get a closer view for you here. This is where the sand would be. Well, all of this actually is where the sand would be. But it's all covered in snow. Big chunks of snow. Yep. Chunks of snow. Wow. So feel free to follow me or share this if you like what you see or you think your friends might like what they see. I'm also on Twitter, and I have a YouTube channel that I upload the Periscope videos up to, so you can watch this video on YouTube in better resolution, in higher resolution. Yeah, the link is in my bio, so feel free to check it out. If you miss anything, you can watch the replay here, or you can go to YouTube and watch the replay there. I don't think I've ever been out here at this beach after it snowed like this. Look at all that slush and snow. Solid snow. Packed snow. How's the video? Is the video okay, everyone? If it's not, if the video isn't good, or the connection isn't good, please let me know. And feel free to ask me anything. If any questions, feel free to ask. There's a lighthouse over there in the distance. I pointed that out about 5-10 minutes ago. Rhode Island is known for their lighthouses. Let me pick up another piece. See? So, anyway, it's barely above freezing here. It's like 36 degrees high for today. So, only like 3 or 4 degrees above freezing. But it's warmer than it has been for the past week. It's my shoes, my snow boots. Oh, look. I don't know if you can see, it's in the shadow. Sand. There's actually sand showing. It's not just snow. Found a patch of sand. Snow, snow, snow. Chunks of snow. Solid snow, slush. How's the view? How's the video? Is the connection okay? Sunny day here on the beach in about 6 foot of snow probably in certain parts of the beach here, which I had to walk through to get here. But it's worth it. It's a nice view. I haven't been out here before. After it snowed like this last week, and it's been below freezing, so nothing's melted. Or, well, some things have melted, I guess, but most things haven't melted. Hey, Finland. Thanks for joining us. How are you doing? So this is just the after effects of the snowstorm from last week on the East Coast, USA. This is Rhode Island beach. It's covered in snow. We're about an hour south of Boston. Great, awesome. That's great to hear. I'm doing pretty good too. I'm cold, but it's been colder last week, so this isn't as bad. It's supposed to get up to like another 10 degrees higher next week. It's supposed to be around almost 50 degrees at the high, which is pretty good, huh? Hey, welcome. First day on Periscope, Zupin. Hope I didn't butcher that name too much. Anyway, you're looking at the Rhode Island beach on the East Coast USA, about an hour south of Boston. Snowstorm hit the East Coast last week, and this is this is the after effects of the snow. This all the snow chunks and snow packed on the beach here. Barely any sand showing through. There's a lot of slush. It is pretty to look at, though. I always think of Finland as a place it's pretty cold most of the time. Is that right, or is that not right? I don't really know. It just sounds like it's a place that's cold. Especially during the winter. Although I don't know if it's winter there. So I don't think I'll see another soul out here. If I do, if I see anybody else out here, it'll be a big surprise. I think those are my footprints there. The only ones that came through the little hill there in order to get here. It's pretty cold, and it's not the easiest journey out here unless you want to walk through all that, knee deep in snow. Oh, that's good. That's never too cold. I think Finland's probably a pretty beautiful place to visit too, huh? Lots of nature and so forth. It's actually, I don't know what's considered too cold anyway. Below freezing is pretty cold, huh? I would say. So below freezing or near freezing, it's pretty cold. But I guess if you're used to it, or you have the winter gear and equipment, and your jacket, and boots, and gloves, and hat, and all that, then it's probably not too bad. So if you dress appropriately, I mean, you probably still feel really cold, but it might take longer to get there because, you know, layers of clothing will protect you. At least that's the theory. I was out here, well, not out here, but I was outside like a few days ago, like right after the snowstorm hit, and I would think I was only outside for about 5 seconds before my hands started going numb. That's how cold it was. Just 5 seconds. And I had gloves on, too. I had gloves on, but it was below freezing at that point. Right, you know, the day or two after the snowstorm, it was below freezing. And the windshield made it just so much worse. So, yeah, it was like negative 12 or something. Fahrenheit, but still. It's below freezing, and it was just bad. I was only outside for about 5 seconds before my hands started going numb. And I had gloves on, and I had to put them in my pocket, and it's just like, wow. I am not going to the beach today. I just had to do some errands. Just got in my car, went to the store, that's about it. It was so cold. You know, if I ever do go to Finland, I definitely will meet up with you and visit with you. You can show me some of the sights. Huh? Show me some of the sights. Some of the beautiful places out there. Man, it feels like I'm walking on hard surface because the snow is packed. It's interesting. So feel free to ask me anything. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm out here in a winter jacket with the hood on, winter gloves, winter boots, everything. I'm not really looking forward to the walk back. Back through the through the 1.5 feet of snow. But then I'll get to my car and I'll get warm again. So I'll get back to the car eventually and warm up again. So how's the view, everyone? How's the video? Can you see everything okay? Can you hear me talk okay? Hopefully. If you can't, let me know. Yeah, if you're having problems with connection or any issues, please let me know. Chunks of snow on the beach. I should kick it. It doesn't matter. It's solid. It is really solid. It isn't gonna break. Whoa. Oh. Oh, there, it did break. Look at that. I'm surprised. I'm just playing around with the chunks of snow here. And then there's more chunks of snow. Lots of chunks of snow. Lots of chunks of snow on the beach. As I was saying earlier, a few days ago, I was only outside for about 5 seconds before my hands started going numb. my fingers started going numb. It was just that cold. Well, I get cold easily anyway, but still, it was below freezing, and it was cold. And I was wearing gloves, and my hands were in my pockets. But still, it was cold. It is a little warmer today. It is above freezing today. And it'll be a little warmer tomorrow. Like the high is supposed to be around 50. We'll see if it goes that far. But anyway, I thought I'd come out here and share it with you. Share the view with you. It's hard to see the screen in the sun. I'm probably gonna head on out in a few minutes here. Go back. Go back up that path, that foot of snow. And go get back to my car. Anyway, I probably won't be scoping my trek back because I might fall and lose my balance of the phone in my hand. And I don't really want to fall in a foot of snow. So I probably won't be scoping that because it'll be easier to lose balance with the phone in my hand. You know, let me. Anybody want to see? Anybody want to see my face? Or just have you seen the ocean, the snowed over ocean? I'll show you. So here's me. Brief view of what I look like all covered up. Red nose and everything. Yep. Winter jacket. Hood. Gloves. Except for I have to take it off when I do the touchscreen on the phone. So. I should probably get a winter cap instead of just using this hood. But, it's not what I did so far. Anyway, hi! Hi! Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello! Alright, enough of that. Show you the beach again. Anyways, this is the beach, the East Coast USA, in Rhode Island. We're about an hour south of Boston. This is the after effects of the snowstorm from last week. It's been below freezing, and it finally is above freezing today, and it's sunny today. So I came out here to scope this area for you and to show you what it looks like. Actually, the roads and the neighborhoods and the suburbs, it looks similar to this. Piles of snow. Plowed piles of snow. So, anyway. It's pretty. I think it's pretty. That's why I come out here and share this with you. As a part of my day. Feel free to follow me or share with your friends or ask me anything. I'll do the best I can to answer. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram and YouTube. If you would like, you can go check out my Periscope videos. There, I upload these videos onto my YouTube channel, so you can see them in high resolution if you want to. And the link to my YouTube channel is in my bio. Feel free to follow me there, or watch the video there. You can catch my replays as well. So I'm about to head on out in a couple of minutes and go on with the day. supposed to get a little warmer here in the next few days. That would be nice. Some of this might melt in a couple days. Hope the video and the audio is okay. Let me know if it isn't. Let me know if the connection is okay. I think I'll use this as the ending shot of my scope. Anyway, I hope you like what you see, and feel free to follow me on here to get notifications when I go live, or you can go to my YouTube channel as well. It's the link to my YouTube channel is in my bio. You can go there and watch high resolution videos if you'd like. So, thanks for joining me today, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye-bye for now.